How to bridge to Metis. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to bridge to Metis network step by step. But before we can use Metis network, we need to add this network to Metamask. The easiest way to do this is by going to chainlist.org and connecting your wallet and then searching for Metis network here. It will find Metis Andromeda mainnet. Currency is Metis and click Add to Metamask. Here you will see all the details and just click on Approve. Currently I am on Smart Chain and it asks me to switch to Metis network, but I don't need it right now. I will cancel it. Great, now I should have Metis network in my Metamask. Let's double check. Yeah, here Metis Andromeda mainnet. Great. Now if you check official website, there is a bridge here as well, available at bridge.metis.io, but the problem here is that it only supports Ethereum mainnet, so if you want to bridge to Metis from other networks, you need another bridge. I checked a lot of bridges and one of the best is this one called Synapse, available at synapseprotocol.com, and here you can go to this bridge page. Then connect your wallet as usual. Currently I am on BNB chain and I will bridge assets from BNB chain to Metis. Here in the origin I have BNB chain. You can choose another networks. As you see, there are a lot of them available, and now you need to choose the assets you want to bridge. In my case I will bridge USDC, let's say 10 USDC, and here I need to choose Metis. Great, and I will receive 8.5 USDC in the Metis network, so fee is 1.5 USDC. So it's basically not very clever to bridge small amounts of tokens and pay such kind of fees. For example, if you want to bridge 100 USDC, you will still need to pay around 1.4 USDC for bridging. But just for demonstration purpose, I will bridge 10 USDC to Metis network. And the advantage of this bridge is that you will also receive 0.02 Metis tokens that you will need to do transactions in the Metis network. And it's a great advantage. So now let's move on and approve USDC. In this Metamask pop-up, we will confirm this and we'll pay $0.6 US in BNB tokens. Let's confirm. Okay, great, confirm transaction. Now I can bridge my funds by clicking this button. Let's scroll down and confirm again. Here as well you need to have some BNB as usual to pay for transaction fees in the BNB smart chain. Let's confirm. Now we are bridging from USDC on BNB chain to USDC on Metis. Why I choose BNB here? Because fees on this network are quite low, so it's convenient to bridge assets from BNB chain, for example, to Metis in our case. Okay, it looks like transaction was confirmed. I missed this pop-up here. Let's check it here in the Metamask. Now let's switch to Metis Andromeda mainnet. And as you can see, I already have promised 0.02 Metis, so I can do transaction here, which is great. But I can't see any USDC tokens here. I need to import them before I can see it here. But to import it, I need contract address. So let's go to coinmarketcap.com and here in the search bar, let's search for USDC and select it. Now we can see contract address, but on Ethereum mainnet, and we need it on Metis network. Let's see if we can find it here. Yeah, Metis Andromeda. Great. Let's copy address. Go back to Metamask, import tokens here, and let's paste token contract address. Token symbol here is different, m.usdc, it means Metis USDC, and let's add custom token. And now we can see that we already got our 8.5 USDC in the Metis network. Let's click on import tokens. Great. Now we have both Metis and some USDC in our tokens, so we can do the transactions here, which is great. That's why I recommend to use this Synapse bridge here to bridge tokens to Metis network. I hope this video helped you. Please let me know in the comments about that. As usual, like and subscribe, and see you next time.